helpful supplies. So not really tools, just helpful supplies to have around whenever you're working on stuff, especially if you're tearing down into a motor. And these are not sponsors at all. This is just stuff that I use and I've had great luck with. So Loctite, everybody knows their thread locker. Get my camera to focus better here. So this is silver anti-sieze. So I use this especially on like header bolts, exhaust bolts. Sometimes I'll put this on spark plugs. So they make copper stuff too. I've used the copper stuff on brake parts, stuff that is known to seize up pretty easily. See a lot of grime, see a lot of heat changes. This stuff is good to throw on the threads and put it in there where you don't need Loctite, because due to the grime and the heat and stuff, those bolts are not going to come loose. This is a great stuck bolt or nut looser upper. That's the technical term. Penetrating oil. So Zepreserve, there's PV Blast, there's a bunch of stuff. This is by far the best stuff that I have used. I encourage you guys to use it. If you have something that you think is better, open to listening to that. And then this is spray gasket, copper spray gasket. So especially for like head gaskets and stuff, whenever you're putting them on, spray this on. It makes them sticky so they don't move as much. You can do some silicone and spots and whatnot, but this stuff is pretty safe to use and it works pretty well. You spray that stuff on there, lay your gasket down on cardboard or something and spray it all around and stick it where you need it, and it sticks pretty well to get you enough time to get everything back together without it moving on you. So just some helpful stuff to have around in the garage, and to really help you along in your projects, make things a little bit easier. This is really for down the road. You go take stuff back off, it's not going to be locked up on you. So highly recommend all these things to keep around.